Juneau is the busiest cruise port in Alaska. Hi, I'm Michelle from Adventures Ahead, and today we are in Juneau. There is a ton of stuff to do here. You can hike a trail, you can go whale watching, or you can enjoy some local seafood from downtown. Today we're going to be walking from the Franklin Street dock to some eateries downtown, and we'll show you some must-stop places along the way. When we disembarked from our cruise ship, you could go right, and that was where the restrooms and the taxis were. You could go forward, so that was the spot to meet for the tours booked through the cruise line. Or you could go left, and that was where the downtown area is. There is a really nice walking path leading to downtown. The first shop that you're going to come across, and it's right across from the cruise ship on Franklin Street, and that's the Juneau Trading Company. So this is a really convenient spot to pick up a souvenir or something to remember your visit by. The first spot that there's available for an excursion is right off the ship, and this is for the Mendenhall Glacier Express. Guys, this is a very nice day.
Yeah, weather's top notch.
We took our coats off, our little sweatshirts, and this is really nice.
Yeah.
It's like a nice Michigan day.
I don't remember ever taking our coats off last time, but I think maybe we did.
I think in Icy Strait Point we did.
Right.
But not in Juneau last year. It was rainy, so yeah, this is great. Next up is the Taku Fisheries Ice House. So sometimes when you're walking past here, you'll see them actually bringing fish in from their boats to this ice house, which is pretty cool.
Free map of downtown Juneau?
Oh yeah, I'll take it. Thank you.
Any questions?
No? Thank
Enjoy
you.
your time
Thank
there.
you. As you're making your way downtown, you'll see the Gold Belt tram running all the way up to the top of Mount Roberts. There are lots of these little booths that offer excursions and other things to do while you're in Juneau. As you're making your way downtown, you'll see Tracy's King Crab Shack. So this is a must stop for me and Josh when we're in Juneau. But make sure to bring your wallet because it's kind of expensive here, and cash because they do give a cash discount. Okay, now we're really in downtown Juneau, and down here are a lot of little shops to go to and a lot of places to eat. So we're just gonna explore from here on out. Josh and I did make a stop at the Alaska Fudge Company, and let me just say, the fudge that we got from here was top tier. Caribou Crossings was a store that we came across, and they specialize in Alaskan-made products. If you're curious to know if your souvenir was made in Alaska, make sure to check the tag for the Made in Alaska logo. And of course, you're in a cruise port, so there's going to be a lot of jewelry stores along the way. One thing that we did find about Juneau is there's not any benches or places to sit, so just be prepared for that. We didn't visit the Red Dog Saloon, but it is a historic bar known for its live music and memorabilia. The Alaska Shirt Company is a really popular place to buy apparel. Jellyfish Donuts is known for its really unique donuts. One of them is their famous salmon donut. Okay, now we've made our way to Deckhand Dave's, which is a really famous taco place here in Alaska. But also in this area is a lot of like food trucks. We thought this area was super cool and we ate a ton of food here. Had a ton of fun. Alright, now we're turning around on Franklin Street and heading back towards the cruise ships. We did make a stop at Glacier Scoops, and let me just say this is super good ice cream. Thanks for joining us on this tour of downtown Juneau highlights. If you liked this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button on this video. Also make sure to check out our other Alaska videos. Thanks for watching!